Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know I hosted Ruby's 10th birthday party here last weekend. Ruby loved her birthday party and enjoyed having her friends over. It was the first time we've had a party here and it's a complete disaster. I showed the state of my house after and asked you guys if you wanted a video. Of course, I received thousands of DMs saying, yes, film it, so here we are. This is the next day, by the way. After running around all day before the party, cleaning, decorating on my feet for days, I went to sleep and I still woke up beat up. Ruby did not know what theme I was going to do, so she was really surprised to see that I chose Disney's Descendants 3. She and Sultan both love Descendants. They listen to the songs and copy the dance moves like every day. Ruby is so me at 10 years old, except I was a Britney Spears superfan. The kids are going to help me clean up. I'm showing Ruby how to save the gift bags so we can reuse them. And I handed her a couple garbage bags, one for actual trash, the other one is for recycling. We had a lot of paper plates and cups left over, napkins and plasticware, so I'm going to save those. In the kitchen, I'm collecting trash and recycling off the counters so I can wipe them down. I purchased majority of the decorations, balloons, and serving trays from Party City. A lot of the character ones came from Amazon. The big acrylic bowl that I use to keep drinks on ice in is from Party City. The cupcake stand and trays are from Amazon. There's a sticky price tag on this bowl, so I used some orange essential oil to soften it so I can go back and scrape it off. I'm offloading the dishes in the dishwasher, then putting them away. The dishes in the sink I'll put into the dishwasher and start it later tonight. I decided to diffuse some Joy essential oil. It's a very clean, powdery scent. I seriously need to purchase more oils, but I keep forgetting. I don't use candles anymore, and I haven't in years. My diffuser is from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's small, but it fills the whole house with fragrance. I let the kids pop the rest of the balloons. The others were popped first thing in the morning by Meyers. I'm also taking down the tassels that are hanging from the ceilings, and I'm handing Ruby balloons that have no anchors, so they're floating up to the ceiling. Now I'm wiping down all the chairs and the little table with the 7th generation disinfecting spray, using a damp cloth, then going back over with a clean cloth to buff it dry. I couldn't find my Method glass cleaner, so I'm using regular alcohol to clean the table. Then I'm flipping the chairs over to wipe the legs before placing them on top of the table. When I did this, I realized I was missing some spots underneath, so I cleaned that too. There's a couple small stains on the couch, so I'm removing that with the amazing Whip It stain remover. There was also slime all over the rug. In my apartment, this didn't get slime out of the carpet, but for some reason, it worked really well on my area rug. I'm just tidying up the entryway and putting things up so I can vacuum. There was a 4-year-old boy here, so he and Emir played with kinetic sand while the big kids played musical chairs, and it was everywhere. Vacuuming was the last thing I did on this day. I waited until Monday when the kids went to school to mop and shampoo the area rug, and I'm glad I did because I really needed a break from the last few days. Here I am the next morning mopping the floors. I did pass the vacuum over it once again before doing this. Lastly, I'm shampooing my area rug using my Bissell carpet cleaner. This I found on Amazon. That is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future cleaning content like this and turn on your post notifications so every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. As always, thank you so much for watching and I will talk to you all in my next video.